Welcome back to Garden Bound. Have you ever gazed at a lush, green lawn and wondered how you could create that vibrant carpet of grass from scratch? Growing a lawn from seed might seem daunting, but it's a rewarding process that anyone can achieve with the right guidance. Today, we'll uncover the secrets to transforming bare soil into a beautiful, thriving lawn. Whether you're starting a new lawn or repairing patches, this guide has you covered with practical tips and expert advice. Before you can sow your lawn seeds, it's crucial to prepare the soil properly. Start by assessing your soil to understand its pH levels and nutrient content. This is where soil testing comes in. Testing your soil will give you valuable insights into its composition and what amendments are needed for optimal grass growth. You can obtain a soil test kit from your local garden center or use a professional service to get detailed results. Look for a pH level between 6 and 7.5, which is ideal for most grass types. The test will also indicate nutrient deficiencies, such as nitrogen, phosphorus, or potassium, which are critical for grass health. Once you have your soil test results, the next step is to clear and till the soil. Tilling is the process of turning over and breaking up the soil to prepare it for planting. This involves using tools like a rototiller, garden fork, or hoe to loosen and aerate the soil, which helps create a better environment for seeds to take root and grow. Tilling breaks up compacted soil, improves drainage, and allows roots to penetrate more easily. It also helps mix in organic matter and fertilizers, ensuring they are evenly distributed throughout the soil. By tilling to a depth of 6 to 8 inches, you can effectively prepare the soil for planting, promoting healthy root development and overall plant growth. After tilling, it's time to amend the soil based on the recommendations from your soil test. Adding organic matter, such as compost, improves soil structure and fertility. Spread a 2-3 inch layer of compost over the tilled soil. Depending on your soil's needs, you may also need to incorporate specific fertilizers to address nutrient deficiencies. For instance, if your soil is low in nitrogen, use a high nitrogen fertilizer according to the package instructions. Mix these amendments thoroughly into the soil to ensure they are evenly distributed. Properly preparing your soil in this way sets a strong foundation for a healthy, lush lawn. Selecting the right grass seed is crucial for establishing a healthy lawn that thrives in your specific environment. Start by choosing the appropriate grass type based on your region's climate. Cool season grasses like Kentucky bluegrass and fescue grow best in areas with cold winters and moderate summers, whereas warm season grasses such as Bermuda and zoysia are suited for hot summers and mild winters. Consider factors like soil type, sun exposure, and how you intend to use your lawn. For instance, high traffic areas may require more resilient grass types. When exploring popular grass varieties, it's helpful to understand their unique characteristics. Kentucky bluegrass is known for its lush, dark green blades and excellent cold tolerance, making it ideal for northern regions. Bermuda grass, on the other hand, thrives in southern climates with full sun and is highly durable against foot traffic. Fescue, particularly tall fescue, is versatile and can handle shade and drought, making it a good choice for various conditions. Select the grass variety that aligns best with your region's climate and your lawn's specific needs. Purchasing high-quality seed is equally important. Look for certified seeds to ensure you're getting pure, disease-free seeds with high germination rates. Seed labels provide valuable information, including the purity percentage and germination rate. Purity refers to the proportion of the desired grass seed in the mix, while the germination rate indicates the percentage of seeds likely to sprout under optimal conditions. Opt for seeds with a high purity and germination rate to ensure a dense and healthy lawn. By carefully selecting and purchasing the right grass seed, you lay a strong foundation for a thriving, beautiful lawn. Timing is crucial when planting grass seed to ensure successful germination and growth. For cool season grasses, the best times to plant are early fall and spring when soil temperatures range between 50 and 65 degrees Fahrenheit. This timing allows seeds to establish roots before the heat of summer or the cold of winter sets in. Warm season grasses should be planted in late spring to early summer when soil temperatures are consistently between 70 and 90 degrees Fahrenheit, giving them the warmth they need to germinate and grow vigorously. Seeding techniques play a vital role in achieving even seed distribution across your lawn. Broadcasting by hand can work for smaller areas, but using a seed spreader ensures more uniform coverage, especially for larger lawns. It's essential to follow the recommended seeding rates for your chosen grass type, typically measured in pounds per 1,000 square feet. This information can usually be found on the seed packaging. Overseeding or underseeding can lead to poor germination and uneven lawn coverage. After spreading the seeds, lightly rake the soil to cover them with a thin layer of soil, which helps ensure good seed-to-soil contact and protects the seeds from being blown away by wind or eaten by birds. Covering the seeded area with a light mulch, straw, or a seed blanket can further protect the seeds and help retain moisture. These coverings also provide a bit of shade, which can prevent the soil from drying out too quickly and improve germination rates. Keeping the soil consistently moist is vital during this stage, as drying out can halt the germination process and damage young seedlings. By following these detailed steps, you can successfully plant grass seed and establish a lush, healthy lawn. Proper watering and initial care are crucial for the successful establishment of your new lawn. During the germination period, keeping the soil consistently moist is essential. This means watering lightly but frequently, typically 2 to 3 times a day, to ensure the top inch of soil remains damp. Avoid overwatering, as this can lead to pooling and wash away seeds. As a general guideline, aim to water for about 5 to 10 minutes per session, adjusting based on your soil type and local weather conditions. The germination timeline varies depending on the type of grass seed you've chosen. Cool season grasses like Kentucky bluegrass typically take 14 to 30 days to germinate, while warm season grasses such as Bermuda can sprout within 7 to 21 days. During this period, look for signs of successful germination, such as tiny green shoots emerging from the soil. Early growth stages are critical, so continue to monitor soil moisture closely and adjust your watering schedule as needed to maintain consistent dampness. Once your grass seedlings have established and grown to a height of about 2 to 3 inches, you can start to reduce the watering frequency. Transition to a deeper and less frequent watering schedule, such as once a day, ensuring the water reaches the root zone to encourage deep root growth. Early lawn maintenance also includes initial mowing. Wait until the grass is about 3 to 4 inches tall before mowing for the first time, and set your mower blade to a high setting, removing only the top third of the grass blades. This practice helps to avoid stressing the young grass and promotes a strong, healthy lawn. By following these guidelines, you can ensure your new lawn gets off to a great start and develops into a lush, vibrant landscape. Ongoing lawn care is essential to maintain the health and appearance of your new lawn. Fertilization plays a key role in providing the necessary nutrients for robust growth. For new lawns, it's important to start with a balanced, slow-release fertilizer. The first application should be made about 4 to 6 weeks after germination, once the grass has been mowed at least once. Follow up with regular fertilization schedules, typically every 6 to 8 weeks, using a fertilizer suitable for your grass type. Be sure to follow the manufacturer's instructions for application rates and methods, and water the lawn thoroughly after fertilizing to help the nutrients penetrate the soil. Weed and pest control are also crucial components of lawn maintenance. To prevent weeds, maintain a thick and healthy lawn through proper fertilization, watering, and mowing practices. If weeds do appear, consider using pre-emergent herbicides in early spring to stop weed seeds from germinating, and post-emergent herbicides for any existing weeds. For pest control, regularly inspect your lawn for signs of common pests such as grubs, chinch bugs, and armyworms. Early detection is key. If pests are found, apply appropriate insecticides, following label directions carefully to minimize harm to beneficial insects and the environment. Proper mowing practices help keep your lawn looking its best. Aim to mow your grass to the recommended height for your specific grass type, generally about 2.5 to 3 inches for cool season grasses and 1 to 2 inches for warm season grasses. Avoid cutting more than 1/3 of the grass blade length at a time to prevent stress. Regular mowing encourages dense, healthy growth and helps prevent weeds. Aeration is another vital practice, especially for lawns that experience heavy foot traffic or have compacted soil. Aeration involves perforating the soil with small holes to allow air, water, and nutrients to penetrate the grass roots. This process helps to alleviate soil compaction and promotes deeper root growth. For most lawns, aeration should be performed once a year, preferably in the fall for cool season grasses, and in the late spring or early summer for warm season grasses. By incorporating these ongoing care practices, you can ensure your lawn remains healthy, vibrant, and resilient throughout the seasons. Maintaining a lush and healthy lawn from seed requires thoughtful planning and consistent care. By properly preparing the soil, selecting the right grass seed, planting with care, and following up with diligent watering, fertilization, and maintenance, you can cultivate a vibrant lawn that enhances the beauty and value of your home. If you found this guide helpful, please subscribe to Garden Bound for more expert gardening tips and tricks. Don't forget to like this video and share your lawn growing experiences in the comments below. Happy gardening!